goodness, how busy you all are.
Hello, Mr. Bentley.
I've stacked all the new glass for the skylights on the roof, Bob.
Thanks, Lofty. Ready to put in that burglar alarm, Wendy?
Yes, Bob. All set.
Good. I want to be sure that all the mayor's important documents are safe while she's away on holiday.
That's a simple job, Mr. Bentley. We'll get it finished today.
Excellent. Well, things to do, pencils to sharpen. I'll see you all later.
Right, team. Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
This could let rainwater in. I'd better seal it up.
Ah, Mr. Bentley. Just in time to help me. Could you walk along the hall, please? Great. That movement sensor up there saw you, so anyone walking around inside the building after it's locked will trigger the alarm. Now, all you have to do is enter your 4-number alarm code. When it beeps, you have 30 seconds to close the front door.
All finished, Mr. Bentley?
Thank you. The mayor will be delighted.
Okay, Mr. Bentley?
Oh. Ah. Oh, good-o. Good night, and thank you.
Night, Mr. Bentley.
Sleep tight.
Nighty-night.
Is that the town hall alarm, Wendy?
I'm afraid so. I'll call Bob, then come over with you.
Hi, Wendy. No. Hi, Wendy. Everything all right?
Sorry to bother you, Bob, but the town hall alarm's going off.
All right. Don't worry, I'll be there in 5 minutes. What's going on?
That light shows the alarm was set off in the mayor's office.
Right. We'd better investigate.
Shall I come with you?
Oh, please stay with me, Mr. Bentley. I don't really like the dark.
Of course I will, old chap.
I can't find anything wrong at all.
Me neither. Right.
Everything seems okay. I'm sure it won't happen again, Mr. Bentley.
I'm sure it won't. Thank you all for coming out. Good night.
Night,
Sleep
Mr.
tight.
Bentley.
Night.
Hello?
Bob,
Wendy?
the alarm's going off.
Oh, no, not again.
Is it morning already?
No, sorry, Lofty. We need to go to the town hall again.
Again? Can I come?
Go back to sleep, Dizzy. It's just a little problem with the alarm.
Actually, Bob, I'd really like Dizzy to come too.
Okay, then.
Everything's fine here.
Well, it's very strange, Mr. Bentley. We still can't find any reason for the alarm to be going off.
Well, in that case, there's only one explanation. It was a ghost.
A ghost?
Come on, you two. There are no such things as ghosts.
But Mr. Bentley said that was the only explanation.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lofty. That was just a joke.
We'll have to leave the alarm off and stay here to see if we can find out what can be triggering it.
I'd be happy to patrol the rear of the town hall, Bob.
Thank you, Mr. Bentley. Wendy and I will stay inside. And Lofty, you and Dizzy watch the front of the building. OK, team?
Yes!
Yes, sir, Bob, sir.
Oh.
Don't worry, Lofty. If we do see any ghosts, I'll keep you safe.
Okay then.
There's definitely no problem with the wiring on these sensors.
We'd better check the rest of the building then.
Look! What was that? Is that a ghost?
No, that's just an owl, Lofty.
Phew. That's okay then.
At least I think it was.
What?
I'd better check the side of the building. I'll only be a minute.
Okay. There's no such thing as ghosts. There's no such thing as... Oh, hurry up, Dizzy. She'll be back in a minute. That's only 60 seconds. 59, 58, 57. 30, 29, 28.
Lofty, it's me, Dizzy.
Oh.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Are you okay?
Hiya! Wah! Whee! All clear here. Better see how Lofty and Dizzy are getting on.
That's it. Just breathe slowly. In and out. In and out. Oh, it's just you, Mr. Bentley. Oh, are you okay, Lofty?
Well, we've checked the rest of the building, so the answer must be in Mayor Madison's office. Huh? Oh, ah! We found our ghosts, Wendy. They're bats. Dizzy, Lofty, Mr. Bentley, we've solved the mystery. It's bats.
Where are they?
Over here.
It's okay, Lofty. Look at the bats. Aren't they glorious?
Oh, yeah! They are amazing! But I wonder how bats got inside the town hall.
Bats only come out at night, so they must have been sleeping somewhere inside during the day.
They flew out of the fireplace, so maybe they were in the chimney.
Yes, good thinking. We'll go up and check in the morning. You were right, Wendy. I found this hole yesterday and sealed it up.
If that's how the bats were getting inside the chimney, they wouldn't be able to get out again afterwards.
The bats were sleeping in the chimney. I accidentally blocked up their way out.
So all you have to do is make another way out for them.
It isn't that simple, Lofty. It's okay for bats to sleep there when it's summer, but they'd be hurt if anyone lit a fire when it's cold.
Oh, no! You've got to find a way to keep the bats safe, Bob.
Don't worry, Dizzy. We'll build the bats a new house and put it by the chimney where they used to sleep.
I'm sure the bats will feel at home in their splendid new bat house. Now I need to work out how to tell the mayor about her new neighbours.
Good luck with that, Mr. Bentley.
Oh, dear.
I knew all along that the town hall wasn't really haunted.
Of course you did, Lofty. Boo!
That's a big hole. How did that happen, Bob?
It was the huge storm we had last night, Muck. Big waves crashed against the wall and damaged it.
Good morning, Bob. I do hope you can fix this today.
Hello, Mr. Bentley. Yes, I'm sure we can.
Thank goodness. We can't have our seawall turning to rubble. Tomorrow's the start of the spring holidays. People will be coming here to have fun.
Who'd want to spend time on a beach covered with rubbish?
Oh? Oh, dear me, you're right, Lofty. That's not good. And there's flotsam and jetsam everywhere.
Flottam what, Mr. Bentley?
A flotsam and jetsam. It's what we call things that float in the sea and eventually get washed up onto beaches like this lot.
So it's all rubbish.
Well, mostly. But as a boy, I used to go beachcombing. Oh, the hours I spent searching the sand for anything special or interesting. Yuck. However, right now, I need the beach to look perfect for our visitors.
Well, I can work on the wall while Lofty, Muck and Scoop clear the beach.
Easy peasy, no problem, Bob.
Thanks, Bob. I'll leave it to you. See you later.
Bye.
Ooh, look, it's Curtis. Where's he going?
I think he's off to do a spot of fishing, Muck. Now then, let's get to work.
Who knows what treasures there might be among the flotsam and jetsam?
Oh, really?
If we're lucky, we might find something really, really special. Like that piece of driftwood.
That's not special. It's no good for anything. Except the bin.
It's good for looking at, Scoop. It's like a work of art. It's beautiful.
Beautiful? Just looks like a piece of old wood to me.
Well, to me it's beautiful, and I'm going to look for more pieces of driftwood.
Suit yourself. I'm going to do some clearing.
Okay, guys, time to get this beach ready for some spring fun. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can!
Oh, great. More rubbish.
No, Scoop. That's much too interesting to throw away. What? Look at that lovely curly shape. It's almost like the tail of a mermaid.
No, can't see it, Lofty. It's just useless driftwood. You can't do anything useful with it.
I bet I can do something with it, but I'm not sure what just yet.
Why don't you put all the driftwood in one neat pile near the ramp, Lofty, and then you can decide what to do with it later?
OK, Bob.
Then would you come and help me put this stone back in the wall?
Will do, Bob.
Good work, Lofty. Thanks.
Do you think I've got all the fixum and gypsum, Scoop?
Flopsum and gypsum.
Fixum and gypsum?
Flotsam and gypsum.
Yeah, there. Have I got it all?
Oh, hang on. I can see one more piece. Sorry, girl.
What's that, Scoop?
Huh?
Driftwood. You could make something interesting out of that. A garden decoration, or a fence post, or a...
It's just more rubbish, Curtis.
Huh?
Here, Muck.
Thanks, Scoop. I've got it all, Bob.
That's great, Muck. Would you take it to the recycling centre, please?
On me way.
Wow, look at that driftwood. It's so lovely. I have to save it. I just need to grab it. Mac! Mac! Yeah. almost. Oh, missed! Got it! Just hang on a second, Merc.
Hey, what's going on?
Thanks, Merc. I just had to save this piece. Sorry I made a mess. But I'll go and pick it all up now.
How are you going to do that, Lofty? Look.
Who knew? What a disaster! It's all drifting back out to sea.
Excellent, Bob. As good as new. And the beach looks pristine. Perfect for tomorrow's holidaymakers.
Lofty, is something wrong?
It's my fault, Bob. I had to rescue this driftwood, but
Yes?
I sort of pulled out some of the flotsam and jetsam, and it sort of fell into the river, and now it's sort of,
Heading this way. Oh, no.
Well, at least it's not on the beach.
But the tide is coming in, which means it soon will be.
Oh no. I'm really sorry.
If we have a messy beach, the visitors won't stay. And all my plans for carnivals, regattas, and fix-em fun will be for nothing. This will be a disaster.
I got a bite! I've got a bite! Oh,
See? The disaster is happening already.
Oh, I wish we could collect it all before it reaches the beach.
If only, yes. That's it, Lofty. That's exactly what we'll do.
Huh?
There's more than enough.
Did I suggest something clever?
You did, Lofty. We can make floating booms out of your wood and use them all to catch the debris.
Oh, that does sound clever.
oh no.
Curtis, would you give us a hand to collect all that rubbish?
Yes, of course, Bob. Anything if it means I can catch fish instead of rotting boots.
Excellent! Just one more thing.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, Wendy. There's a bit of an emergency down at the beach. Please, could you bring us a long rope?
OK, no problem. I'm on my way.
OK, Lofty. You and Curtis are going to sweep along the shore and collect all the rubbish with the booms.
Got it, Bob. OK, Curtis, let's go.
Whoa, what? Take it easy, Lofty.
Yes, you need to coordinate with Curtis and work together.
Righto, coordinate. Righto, Curtis, I'll stay here. You bring the boom round towards the beach.
It's working! Guess that driftwood was good for something after all.
Ooh, what's going on?
Good timing, Muck.
We've got one last load of flotsam and jetsam for you.
Oh, thank you, Bob. You've saved Fixham Beach from disaster. Now our visitors will have a wonderful, clean time when they arrive. Oh, but aren't you getting rid of that too?
No, we can't. That wood is really special. Just look at all those beautiful shapes.
They do look interesting. That's good beachcombing, Lofty.
So, what are you going to do with them, Lofty?
I think they should be on display. What about using them to decorate the path from the car park to the beach?
What a splendid idea.
Oh, good-do. Let's do it. There, all done.
Happy, Lofty?
It looks really beautiful, Bob. What do you think, Scoop?
I think that one looks like a unicorn. That one just looks like a big stick. That one looks like Mr. Bentley on a scooter, and that one...
Right, Leo. I found a log at the back of one of the storage sheds and it reminded me I need to give you a lesson in how to use a chainsaw.
Okay, Bob. I've been looking forward to this one.
Just remember the chainsaw is a very dangerous tool, so safety is super important.
Of course, Bob. Which is why I'm going to concentrate extra hard.
Great. So, first off, the right safety gear. I'll need all these. Gloves, safety goggles, and ear defenders. Okay, now step back, Leo. I'm going to switch the chainsaw on. Pull the starter rope sharply until the engine fires. Disengage the brake, squeeze the throttle, and start cutting.
Scoop, Mark, Lofty, come check this out. Awesome.
That is incredible!
Amazing, Bob. It'll take me a long time to get anywhere near that good.
Just takes practice, Leo.
Have you seen a log anywhere? I ordered it for the seesaw I'm building at the playground.
Oh, whoops. I think you might need to order another one of those, Wendy. In fact, why don't you have a sit down while I do it?
Oh. Huh?
Your first lesson today, Leo, is all about drilling holes in walls.
Wow, I love using the drill.
We're going to use it to hang Mayor Madison's favourite pictures. For this kind of wall, we need to use screws and roll plugs rather than nails. First, check the drill is fully charged.
Hello, Bob. I am Robo Leo 3000, the building robot. I am fully charged.
Hi, Robot Leo 3000. Can you tell the real Leo to come back and put the drill bit in, please?
Sure thing, Bob.
That's it. You're ready to go. Now, slowly at first. That's it. Now use a bit more power. Bit more.
Oh, no. What's happened?
It's okay. Everything's fine. We can fix it. Are you sure you're okay hanging this one up on your own?
Yep. I've learned from the best. I know what I'm doing now, Bob.
Great. Then I'll leave you to it. Leo, how did you get on?
Yeah, I think I know all about drilling holes in walls now, Bob.
It looks perfect. Oh dear.
It took me a few goes to get it perfect.
Right, Leo, your second lesson today is all about filling holes in walls. This road needs to be broken up so we can fix the pipe underneath. Do you remember what I said about using the drill?
Yep. Place the drill at a slight angle, leaning back toward me. Shall I show you?
Yes, please. Very good.
What's that? Oops, I can't hear you very well with these on.
I said very good. Can you keep breaking up the rest of this while I go and get the new pipe?
Sure thing, Bob.
Great. Remember to keep your ear defenders on whilst you're drilling.
Leo!
Oh, hi, Mark. What is it?
Bob says you can stop for a minute. Wendy's made a cake.
A rake? Oh, I think there's one back at the yard.
Leo! Leo! Leo!
Oh, hey, Mark. Didn't see you there. What's up?
Don't you want to have some of the cake, Leo? It looks like a good one.
A glue gun? Oh, sure. There's one in my toolbox.
Leo!
Hi, Mark. How can I help?
There's only a little bit of the cake left, Leo. And Bob says it's got a really good filling.
Really good drilling? Hey, thanks, Mark.
I wonder why Leo didn't want to try any of the cake I baked.
Well, he's really missed out.
Missed out on what?
Wendy's cake. Sorry, there's none left now.
There was cake? Why didn't anyone tell me?
I've almost finished putting in these posts for the new fence, Leo. Can you finish up while I go get the wire to connect them?
Sure, Bob. This big post hammer is ready for whacking.
And I'm ready with the posts.
Right, let's start whacking them in.
Hold on. Remember to check that the posts are the same length, so they're the same height when they're installed.
Okay.
This one's a little bit too long.
Now can I start the whacking?
Yes, now can we start?
Okay, I'll leave you to it. Just be sure that they're all the same height.
There we go. Now to get whacking.
Woohoo!
Okay. Next one, please, Scoop.
We'll have this fence finished in no time.
There we go. Looking good.
Huh. This one is taller than that one. Didn't Bob say you needed to measure and cut them to size, Leo?
No need to do that. I'll just give it another whack.
Now it's shorter than all the other posts.
Oh, that's okay. I'll give all the others a whack too. There we go.
Leo?
Oh, maybe a few more whacks.
Leo, Scoop, what happened to the posts for the fence?
I think I may have gotten a little carried away.
Yes, I think you've gone a little wacky with your whacking.
Look at the bright side. At least they're all the same height now.
This is going to be the biggest game of the season.
Okay, Leo, do you remember what you're learning today?
It's not who's going to win the final, is it, Bob?
Not quite, Leo. You're going to learn how to lay bricks.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Cool.
First, put some mortar onto your trowel and spread it evenly along the wall. Leo.
A friend just told me Spring City have taken the lead. Woohoo! Oh, sorry.
Place your brick on top, tap it down, then scrape off the spare mortar. Get the next brick, spread mortar on the end and stick it next to the first one. And so on.
No problem, Bob.
I need to go to the yard. You stay focused on the job and I'll be right back, okay?
Of course, Bob.
This has got to be one of the most exciting games I've ever seen. And that's half time. What an amazing first half.
Good time for lunch, I think. Now, where's my lunchbox? Must be here some... Oh, no!
Hi, Leo. How's the bricklaying going?
Good, Bob. Good. I'm a bit busy. Can I call you back?
Hi, Leo.
Hi, Wendy.
You haven't seen my book around, have you? I can't find it anywhere.
No.
Well, it must be somewhere. Oh, no.
done. I'll call Bob and tell him the good news. Now, where's my walkie-talkie?
Hi, Leo. How's the wall? Over?
Okay, Leo. You'll be painting this wall while I finish off the driveway. Do you remember all the steps we talked about?
Of course, Bob.
Not yet, Leo.
Oh, what's wrong?
First, you need to protect the floor from paint drips with a sheet and put masking tape over the glass.
Oh, right. Right. Almost forgot that part. But I'm on it.
There you go, Dizzy. Ready?
I'll mix it all up right away.
Thanks, Dizzy. Leo! Hold on a second.
What did I forget now?
You need to fill all the cracks in the wall before applying the paint.
Oh, yeah. Just testing you, Bob. I'll do that now.
Lovely concrete, Dizzy.
Thanks, Bob.
Just needs smoothing now. Hold on, Leo.
Uh-oh. What now?
Your roller's got too much paint on it. It's going to cause drips.
Oh, okay. I'll roll some off.
Wow, it's so flat, Bob. It's perfect.
Thank you, Dizzy. I think I deserve a milkshake, don't you?
Oh, how about my wall then?
Excellent work, Leo. You didn't forget a step.
Oh, great. Then I think I deserve a milkshake too. Don't you? Oh!
Stay exactly where you are, Leo. Don't take another step.
Right. No more steps.
Yes, he's made quite enough already.
Keep very still.
Where are you going?
Inside to get my milkshake. It's not lunchtime yet, Leo.
I'm really hungry.
Help me cut this wood first, then you can have your sandwich.
I'll be seeing you later.
Right. Today, Leo, I'm going to show you how to use a jigsaw so you can cut the wood for the shelves that we're making.
Jigsaws? Easy peasy. I did a puzzle with 1,000 pieces once.
Not that kind of jigsaw, Leo. This kind of jigsaw.
Huh? That looks easy. Let's have a go.
Hold on. First, let's practice. See how you do with this piece of scrap wood.
Oh, let me at the real stuff.
It's a powerful machine, Leo. You need to practice first. Here, cut along this line.
This'll be easier than a two-piece jigsaw. Done. Not quite as good as yours, Bob.
Never mind, Leo. Try again, but this time, don't squeeze so hard on the trigger.
Sure thing.
Perfect. Okay, let's get cutting.
There we go, Bob. That's the final shelf cut. Can I eat my sandwich now?
Of course, if you can fit it in your mouth.
Don't worry, Bob. I've got a plan for that.
Leo, no, I don't think that's such a great idea, do you? I'll get you a knife. Now, Leo, you've recently held up a few jobs because you've forgotten a few things.
Really? I don't remember that.
Well, yesterday we had to paint May Moon's giant telescope and you forgot to bring the ladders. And the paintbrushes. And the paint.
Oh yeah. Now I remember.
Good. So today's lesson is to check we've got everything before we go and that we haven't forgotten anything.
Oh, that makes sense, Bob.
Right, this morning we're building a hut at the zoo to keep all the bananas in for the monkeys.
We're going to the zoo.
So, I've made a list of the tools we'll need, and I want to check that you have them in your toolbox, okay?
Okay, Bob.
Right, first off, spirit level.
Got it.
Great. We don't want a wonky shed. Have you got a screwdriver?
Got. Those screws aren't gonna screw in themselves.
That's it. Hammer?
Check. Oh, I love hammers, Bob. I'm not gonna forget a hammer.
Great. Then the tape measure and safety goggles?
Got and got.
And finally, the saw.
Ah, here. Oh, ouch. Oh.
Excellent. Then I think we're all set. Let's go build a shed. Okay, we're ready. What are you waiting for, Muck?
Aren't you going to bring your toolbox, Bob?
Oh, yeah. Silly me. I forgot. So, this is the base for the decking area I want you to nail down, Leo.
Oh, this is a really nice spot. Right by the beach. Perfect for catching some sun.
Leo,
Yes, Bob?
today I'm going to show you how to use the nail gun.
Oh, great. I've been looking forward to this. It makes such a cool noise.
First, you put the plank in the right place. Then you put the tip of the gun on a spot over a joist and squeeze the trigger.
Oh, yes! Woohoo!
And then put in more nails through the plank into the other joists.
I love that sound. Bunk, bunk, bunk.
I just need to show you how to reload it with more nails for when it runs out.
Okay.
Press the button to release the nails, and then you slot them back in here. Got that?
Got it. I'm ready to go.
Great. While you nail the deck down, I'll get the varnish. That looks really neat, Leo. Well done.
Oh, thanks, Bob. Please, be the first to take a walk on it.
Wow!
No!
Leo, did you remember to reload the nail gun like I said?
Reload what?
Never mind. We can fix it.